Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can recover your NBA Live mobile account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this EA site, which is answers.ea.com. Right here in Answers HQ, I found this question. My account name is NBA Famous. I've been playing this game since well back in season 1. 2 days ago, I hopped on my game, which I had linked to my two phones, Facebook and Game Center. I don't know what happened to it. It just disappeared. I have tried everything and need help from a developer or admin or something. I spent hours on this game and really enjoyed playing it. I have all informations to link the account before it was missing. Are you guys able to check the dates and info from the accounts to verify it's mine? I don't know if I have been hacked or whatever, but I want it back as soon as possible and getting ready for the next season with season tickets. Can we bring these hackers to justice? If it was one, multiple people I know have been hacked and I had 4 sources linked. Thank you for your time. As you can see guys right here, this guy answered the best thing to do is contact EA support through this link, help.ea.com. Provide them with your user ID and explain what happened with your account. They will be able to assist you with this problem. So basically guys, if you lost your account, just go ahead and search for help.ea.com. So for example, I'm going to click on this link and as you can see guys, this is how the EA support looks like. So just search for your topic right here and then you'll be able to get back your account by contacting the support. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.